Welcome back to Edimakor. Video tools are exploding right now. Today, I'm going to show you how to convert old photos to image like this. Stick around, because this tutorial will blow your mind. All right, let's dive in. Before we start, we need one software that I used in this video, Edimakor. If you haven't downloaded it yet, you can find the link in the description below. After you download Edimakor, open it and click Create a Video. Hover over to the left under AI Media and click Image to Video. You can see there are many AI video templates for you to choose from. You can generate them without complex prompts. In this video, I will use custom mode. Here you have two options, single image and dual images. Dual images allows you to add a smooth transition between the start frame and the end frame, just like this. Here, we are going to use the single image. Upload your image here, and under that, type or paste your prompt. I'll put the prompt I use in the description area. Now choose the duration of this video clip, then click Generate, and that's it. You have converted your image to video successfully, and it looks very good and smooth. Isn't that great? If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, you can tell me in the comment section. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.